All right, hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Trading Bitcoin with your host, Vays. Coming to you live from the airport. I got about 20 minutes before my flight starts boarding. Therefore, we will go ahead and do a stream. This blur background thing is really cool, actually. Nice job on Zoom to put that feature in. There was just too many kids behind me that I would dox, and I don't want to do that. Glad to see 90% of the people are not wearing masks. Thank God, about time. All right, let's go to the charts. Whoa, I have way too many windows open. Okay, that's not a surprise. Here we are. Let's go to the charts. This is bad. I have nothing. I have nothing good to tell you guys right now, which is great that this is going to be a short stream, and I will be super busy for the next 10 days. So hopefully you won't even hear from me as this disaster unravels. I don't really, I mean, we have to do these streams, right? I mean, I'm always going to do a stream almost every day. I almost never get sick, so there's no sick days. Yeah, this is terrible. We got rejected by the 200-week moving average. And unless we have a miraculous recovery, unless we repeat this candle, this shit is going to hit the fan real bad. I don't really... I'm not going to have any good news today, guys. I really won't. Our allocation chart, I'm not touching this. I'm going to wait till the candle ends. I'm going to spend my flight praying and hoping that this thing rallies back to 22,000 within the next 1 day and 10 hours. Because otherwise, these moving averages are going to cross back over, and it would be time to either go back into cash or into a full short position. Yeah, Eddie, unfortunately, I don't control the ads before my streams. And if I don't turn ads on, then even less people are going to get notified of my videos. So I have no choice but to keep ads on. I make maybe $5 in ad revenue per video. It's not exactly the revenue I care about. It doesn't make any difference whatsoever. But I do have to keep the ads on my videos. Otherwise, YouTube will completely stop. I mean, I'm already shadow banned, but it'll be just worse. Nothing I can do about the ads. Motorist, thanks for the sound confirmation. Daily chart. Here's where the disaster happened. The disaster happened on this red star candle right here, and it took us back into the channel. There is still hope. There's very little hope, but there is still hope.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, traveling to flight number 592, service to Memphis. You will begin boarding in a couple minutes.
That we will rebound off the center line in this channel. That is like the last final line of hope. So go ahead and pray that this happens, because otherwise shit is about to get super ugly. I hope you have some reserves to dollar cost average in that zone, especially if we go all the way down into the 14,000 range. We had a chance. We had a fighter's chance right here to break this moving average, ride the moving average a little bit, and then rally to the next one. And it's all fallen apart right here, right now, in the last 24 hours. So you are witnessing the next catastrophic breakdown. Because if we do not hold this middle line, we have a very high probability of repeating this entire disaster right here. This entire disaster of consolidation with a massive breakdown has a very high probability of repeating itself if we get back into this lower end range. Real quick, I will be speaking on the 28th at Minor Truck. Okay. Man, they actually made me I gotta tweet this out. They made me a discount code. I need to tweet it out. If you haven't registered for this event yet and you would like to, I do have a discount code somewhere. Let me see. Where is it? Is that it? Yeah, this is it right here. I'm gonna click on this link. I think that's it. Maybe that's not it. Hold on. That might not be it. Yeah, discount code is okay. I want to make sure that's not my personal, 100% off one for me because I'm speaking. So, okay, so that was mine. What the hell is the other one? Shoot. Anyway, all right, I'll get that to you guys later. Hey, I released this video for free on the Tyler Jakes' channel, so I got to take it down off of my webinar list. And we'll release Consensio probably for Black Friday and Christmas. And then the only thing that will be left to release is Tyler Jakes' Hyperwave webinars. And my webinars will I'll probably lower the price for Thanksgiving, maybe. We'll see. They're already pretty cheap, but we'll get them down as low as we can.
May I have your attention, please? All travelers, if any unknown person attempts to give you any item, including luggage to transport on your flight, do not accept it.
Financial Summit. Well, Bali, people are starting to register for Bali. We still have a couple of rooms left at Dominican Republic in this castle. You guys know what to do. It's going to be an awesome event. I will be there this weekend. Okay, so go ahead and check that out. Please follow us on Instagram and YouTube and Twitter. Okay, short-term chart, terrible. Once again, remember this blue line that I drew the other day? There it is. We broke another support and we're breaking another support. This is a complete disaster. Let's not even look at it. GBTC is, of course, going down, and so is the discount on GBTC. Once we start rising, discount will be rising. Eventually, we will be rising. Oil, as you guys know, I am bullish on oil, and I am looking for a $200 barrel of oil. I am completely no comment on gold. Let's put this back to daily charts.
We expect to begin boarding soon.
Here is
For those of you who would like to enjoy our personal device entertainment during the flight, please download or update.
Here is our stock market. The stock market is down a little bit. Remember what I said yesterday? Because Bitcoin was going down, I expected the stock market to have a red day. Bitcoin is going down again, so I expect the stock market to have a red day. But the stock market is not in any serious trouble unless the S&P 500 falls below 3,780. As long as the stock market holds this line of 3,780, we still have a shot. Yeah, I know. I'm at the airport. That's what happened. It's either a video from the airport or no video, guys.
Also need to be removed. As a reminder, customers in boarding groups 1 through 4 may bring 1 carry-on bag and
the sound is bad. Maybe I'm not using the right microphone. Hold on, guys. I might have screwed up.
We are
oh, that's my bad. That is totally my bad. I was using the wrong microphone. This should be so much better now.
To Miami. If you are in
this should be so much better. Like I'm wearing the little Rode mics, but I was using my camera mic.
Our chief United Card members that receive priority.
Should be a lot better.
Will be boarding in group 2.
So, okay, back to the correlation. Yeah, it should be way better. I mean, these are $300 mics. So
Even though my camera is $200, it's not going to be as good as these mics. Yeah, well, there's not much else to say, really. You guys can see the charts. There's no reason to repeat it. Right here, we gotta just hold this center line. Yeah, see, next time you guys complain about mics, remember that I do have good mics. It's just that sometimes I forget to use them. So right here, just like we've broken this and we consolidated lower, you break a consolidated low, you break a consolidated low, and shit tends to hit the fan. Oil, I'm still bullish. Gold, irrelevant. S&P, as long as we hold 3,780, we are still alive and can rally to the upside. This is the S&P weekly. Again, we have bounced off the bottom of my channel. I thought we could go a little bit lower, but it looks like we have held it for now. And there's still a chance that stock markets will recover to new all-time highs sometime next year. Hopefully the elections go in the right direction. We're going to take a look at the currencies. The dollar is starting to strengthen again. The euro should be going back down, back to below parity. The Brazilian real is actually holding up. Not too bad. I don't know why people are going crazy over the Brazil real. It did all of its devaluation, you know, during COVID, and then it kind of stayed there. The Russian ruble. The Russian ruble is weakening a little bit, but I still believe it's going to head towards 40. And there it goes. There it is. Told you. I warned about. I actually didn't know. I saw the number 36 right there. I warned you guys. I told you guys this was manipulation. The Ukrainian currency is not worth 36. It can't be worth 36. It is impossible. It is probably worth closer to 50. Everyone keeps talking about how the Russian ruble is being manipulated. No, the currency that was being manipulated is the Ukrainian hryvnia, because they are the ones that are losing in this war. So because of that, and they are losing. I mean, let's not sugarcoat it. They're losing. Because of that, their currency is going to hyperinflate. Because no one knows if the country is going to continue to exist. Okay, this was government control of the currency, and they just lost control of the currency. I don't know what this means in terms of the war effort, but it's telling. You can look at the currencies and you can tell exactly what's happening on the ground by just looking at the currency, the value of the currency. I expected this. Well, no, I'm aware the Ukraine was never winning, but you have no idea how many Ukrainians got mad at me every time I said that they're losing. Like everyone is brainwashed that they're winning. Well, according to the United States, Ukraine is winning, right? Because Russia is wasting a lot of weapons, and some Russians are dying. So therefore, Ukraine is winning. I don't want to, again, we're getting political here. To the United States government and to the European government, even 100 dead Russians is a win. It doesn't matter if 1 million Ukrainians have to die to kill 100 Russians. It is an absolute win on their chalkboard. Because they don't care about the lives of Ukrainians. They never did.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to United Airlines Flight 592 to Memphis. We are looking forward.
Well, no, you are incorrect. It says this is, of course, this is Ukrainian currency in US dollars. What else are you going to measure it against? The ruble? Then it's going to go up even more. The point is, ruble appreciated against the dollar. So it's basically what's happening in your country. Not every currency is down against the dollar. There are currencies that are up against the dollar. Not many, but there are some.
Before boarding the aircraft. Unfortunately, you cannot download the app during the flight.
This is also a 25% devaluation in a single week, probably a single day. Yep, single day. This is the government admitting that they can't fold a peg. And in a few weeks, you're going to get another one of these. Up to, my guess, 45 or 50.
Smart bags also need to be removed. As a reminder, customers in boarding.
No, this is a loss of a peg. The currency was pegged and it lost a peg. But it's still not free flowing. Expect another one of these.
We are now going to start pre-boarding for United Airlines Flight 592.
Hey guys, my flight's boarding.
If you are in groups 3, 4, or 5, please make yourself comfortable until your group number is called.
I also might be at the wrong terminal. We gotta because I'm not going to Memphis. Thanks, guys. I'll talk to you all on the next one.